Our agency handles work for local clients, for local businesses in various niches, and one of our primary objectives as of recently, well, somewhat recently, has been really to implement and integrate AI within local businesses. We've been doing this already for some time within e-commerce, but we've been really trying to figure out as a team how we can integrate AI into a lot of these smaller businesses that really don't have that advanced foundation set up. A lot of them have very simple websites, but, simple things. It's a small local business. And we've actually, we've had some success. And in this video, I want to go over what we've been doing in terms of AI integration as it comes to local businesses for the millions of local business owners, and, in various stages of tech complexity. Some businesses just have a simple website. Some businesses have advanced advertising funnels and flows with capture pages and automated follow-ups. So it really depends on a lot of different factors, and we're going to be making several videos kind of discussing how AI can be integrated into a local business. And this is one of the primary things we've been working on here. So I'm on Google, as you can see. Google is one of the main ways that a local business gets discovered. And website SEO is pretty much non-existent. Website SEO is dead as it was, 5-10 years ago, where you can make a bunch of articles, put keywords in your meta tags, and hopefully, when somebody Googles plumbing in your city, your website pops up. Well, really, nowadays it's the top part of Google is all what's called Google My Business, which is these local listings, and then below that you're going to get Yelp and some, big time websites. So very few people actually scroll below this section here. Most will either look at the top 3 or click on most businesses, and about 80% of everybody is going to find what they're looking for within this box here. So how can we integrate artificial intelligence to make your local business more powerful? Well, a lot of local businesses are running ads. A lot of our clients are running ads. May they be conversion ads for law businesses to just getting views for wellness clinics and things like that. When you're running ads, sometimes you might want to run them directly to your website. Sometimes you might want to run them to your Google My Business listing. And both actually work very well. Sometimes the Google My Business, so if you run an ad from Facebook, you advertise a video of your business, you can actually run it straight to your Google My Business page here. As you can see here, this is an example, hair salons in Los Angeles, just a very simple, quick example of a local business. Now, where AI comes into place is, let's say you're running these ads, and of course your company's busy, you're busy, your staff might not be around, you have working hours. Well, what we're doing now is we're actually integrating reception AI. And this is one example that we're working on. And we're going to do a live call here really quick just to show for one of our clients here, a boutique, one of our local customers. And it's very interesting how the AI is constantly improving. And the goal of the AI is basically to pick up the phone, talk to the customer, and even give recommendations about the business, certain things about the business. The AI learns about the business, and then the primary goal is then to get that customer booked for an appointment. So with our customer here, Manvu's Boutiques, they're in Los Angeles. They have a phone number here, and we're going to go over an AI model that we built out called Serena. And with Serena here is we're going to it's basically a prompt, and the prompt here, let me agent goals. Okay, so basically you can what we're doing is we're setting up a prompt, and we give the AI an objective to do something. In this case, explain what Manvu's does, and also get leads. So let's give that a try. All right, so we're giving our agent a call here, and we're going to do a live demonstration calling this number 213 Manvu's, and we're going to see what they say.
Hey, you've reached Manvu's Boutique in Los Angeles. My name is Serena. How can I help you today?
Hey, Serena. I'm trying to see about your business and I want to learn about it. What do you guys do?
Hey there. At Monviews, we're all about beauty. We specialize in haircuts, extensions, coloring, and also offer manicures and pedicures. Our team is made up of licensed professionals who love what they do. Anything specific you're curious about?
I'm actually looking to get my hair colored. I'm not interested in any of those other things. Do you guys do that?
Absolutely. We do hair coloring. Our experts can help you achieve the look you're going for. Would you like to book an appointment?
Yeah, but first tell me, where are you guys located?
We're located at 2129 W Sunset Belvedere in Los Angeles. It's a great spot. Ready to book that appointment?
Yeah, okay. Sure.
Great. I've sent you a link to book your appointment. Just follow that and you'll be all set. Thanks for reaching out, and we can't wait to see you at Monviews. Have an amazing day.
Sounds good. What was your name again?
I'm Serena. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.
Thank you. So there you go. Let me see if, yep, and I got the link to book an appointment, and that link goes straight to this booking page where they have a smart calendar set up. Basically, yeah, booking an appointment. So the goal is to then use that AI to implement it here within the numbers, because Google looks at all of these variables, is how active they can actually see on their end how many people are calling, how many times calls are being answered, all of that, especially if you're running Google ads. They can even see how long a phone conversation was. So if calls are being rejected after hours, or your staff is too busy to pick them up, or the staff is just not consistent, because let's say a staff's in a bad mood and doesn't want to book an appointment, well, that all of that kind of hurts your Google My Business listing. And the thing about this is everything is going to be AI, and everybody's using Alexa and Siri and things like that. These listings automatically go to VSEO, which is voice SEO. So instead of website SEO, people are going to be asking their ChatGPT, Alexa about local businesses in the area or wherever they may be visiting, and that information is all going to be fed from here. So this is a critical time to implement these things to get ahead of competitors, and this is one of the things that we're doing with AI. As you can see, it's crazy. It's like a real person, and it continuously learns about the business. So I just had that call. We can go into the technology that my agency uses, and we can then modify scripts, details. We can change voice, we can change the actions it takes, all of the details. We can fine tune it so it continuously gets smarter, and you can actually give it a brain by scanning like an initial template. The knowledge base, basically, it scans your entire website in minutes, learns everything about it, and then you can add additional details if you notice people are asking questions and things like that aren't on your website. So it's also a valuable tool to dig for data. The next point I want to go over here is TCPA, the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, is when you use automated tools, for example, sending a link, like we have, what we're basically doing is we're collecting leads, right? So we're collecting leads from this appointment down the road, things of that nature. For follow-up, you have to be careful to be within guidelines. So all of your messages that initial message has to say, give a opt out or unsubscribe text, for example, that initial message. That's why we all always have, for example, stop or cancel, things like that. So that's by law in the US, you have to have that. Later on, when you do follow-ups, when it's promotional follow-ups, you have to be within certain times depending on the state. So our agency pretty much handles and sets all of that up. We have experts that know TCPA inside and out. So you have to have these initial, the initial tools are amazing, the AI tools, but then you have to have the actual know-how to set this up properly to make sure you're compliant. So this is kind of covering one of the main things we're working on for, once again, local businesses, and it's pretty awesome. I think it's amazing. I mean, I think it's kind of scary at the same time, because I think the U.S. economy is a service economy. You know, that's millions and millions of receptionists and jobs, especially that are now outsourced to, not only within the U.S. but within already. We're pretty much, replacing those, and we're pretty much kind of in the forefront of that technology. And I mean, it's good for businesses, but at the same time, it's crazy, because AI is going to be in every sector. Yeah, pretty much everywhere. AI is going to be making our food soon. AI is going to be driving us around soon. It's going to be a crazy future. By 2023, we're going to see everything within this crazy optimized space, even medicine, for example. So, yeah, we wanted to go over here a quick video, because a lot of people are asking us how they can implement AI within local businesses, and this is one of the main things that we're working on and we specialize on doing. So, yeah, talk to you later.